Hi Express 2, how are you? I miss you so much and I really want to see you soon. Let's start our week number 9 of extra activities. On page number 1, as always, you find reading. And for reading this week, you have a true or false activity. So read the text and read the sentences. Actually, read the sentences first, then read the text. And then decide if the sentences are true or false. For writing, you just have to organize the sentences. You have some words, so you have to put them in the correct order. My suggestion, let's go to use of English first, then you return to the writing so you can do it and it's going to be easier for you, okay? On page number 3, we're going to start with the future, with going to. So I'm going to give you some examples, and I used an example when I said this sentence. So, example, after this video, I'm going to teach an English lesson. So, I'm going to teach an English lesson. So as you can see, this is my plan for after the class. So, what are your plans for after this video? What are you going to do? So basically, in the affirmative sentences, you have the subject, I, she, he, it, my mother, my cat. Then you have verb to be, according to the subject. Then you have going to, and another verb. So I'm going to teach another lesson. She is going to take a shower. But teacher, when the verb is go, should I repeat go again? For example, I'm going to go to the gym. You can, but it's not very common. So in this case, you can go ahead like this. I'm going to the gym, and that's it. All right? So, how the question? In the question, you change the subject and the verb to be, as we do, for example, in present simple with the verb to be. So, are you going to the gym? I am going to the gym. Are you going to the gym? And in the negative, we have the negative form of verb to be. I'm not going to the gym. I'm not going to the gym. After that, on page number 4, you have one activity. You have to complete the sentences with one of the verbs from the box. Be, break down, eat, and heat. And finally, you have a listening. For this listening, you are going to listen to 2 conversations and you have to match the people with their New Year's resolution. So I have a question for you. First you do the listening and then you're going to ask me, I'm going to ask you, what are you going to do next year? Do you know what you're going to do next year? I know because this year is a crazy year. So what are your New Year's resolutions? Okay? Thank you so much and see you. Bye-bye.